There are several replacements for vanilla extract, however some are more suited to specific recipes than others. These include maple syrup, honey, and vanilla paste. For a number of reasons, such as restricted availability, high cost, environmental concerns, and alcohol content, some individuals look for alternatives to vanilla extract. Maple syrup can be used in place of vanilla extract since it is a light brown, sweet, and somewhat caramelized liquid with a flavor comparable to vanilla. Use a 1-to-1 substitution of maple syrup for the vanilla extract. Honey is a fantastic substitute for vanilla extract. While honey, like vanilla extract, is sweet with floral undertones throughout, the finished product's flavor may vary slightly. Honey can also alter the texture of baked goods, but many people find that it improves them. To make a replacement, add a tablespoon of honey for each teaspoon of vanilla extract in your recipe. Since vanilla paste is simply pure vanilla that has undergone a different processing method than vanilla extract, it makes an excellent alternative to vanilla extract. Replace 1-with-1, extract with paste. Another advantage of the paste is that it adds lots of beautiful vanilla bean specks to your baked items. Vanilla powder is an excellent replacement since it contains pure vanilla that has been treated differently than extract. Substitute half teaspoon powder for each teaspoon of extract in your recipe. Since extract is derived from vanilla beans, you can utilize the paste or seeds found inside dried beans instead of extract. To replace 1 tablespoon of extract, use the paste or seeds from a whole bean. As an alternative for vanilla extract, you might use baking spices that you believe will complement the recipe. While the flavor profile will not be exactly the same as with vanilla, you may find that you appreciate the outcome. Consider adding spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger. Substitute half to 1 teaspoon baking spices for each teaspoon of vanilla. Almond extract has a deeper nutty flavor than vanilla, which makes it ideal for some dessert recipes. However, using too much may result in a bitter flavor. Almond extract is widely used in recipes like French toast, pound cakes, and cookies. Due to its strong flavor, almond extract should be used sparingly. Bourbon is matured in oak barrels, which contain molecules known as vanillins that give off a vanilla-like scent. Bourbon can be used as a 1-to-1 equivalent for vanilla extract. Vanilla extract can be replaced with plant-based milk that has a vanilla flavor, such as vanilla soy milk or vanilla oat milk, although the flavor will not be nearly as strong. Use 2 tablespoons of the vanilla-flavored plant-based milk for each teaspoon of vanilla that is required. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press like button below this video, and subscribe our channel.